beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious cornbread made with corn that I know you are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and amazing cornbread, these are the ingredients. I have non-stick baking cream, and you have already that amazing recipe on my channel. Condensed milk, a pinch of salt, baking powder, vanilla extract, unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, 4 room temperature eggs, and of course, the yellow corn. Yes, I'm not using cornmeal. I am using the natural and fresh yellow corn. So let's get started. I want to start with the eggs. I have the eggs at room temperature. That means I took them out of the refrigerator 2 hours before using them, and they are at room temperature. I'm adding almost everything into my blender cup. I'm adding the butter that is already nice and dissolved. I added the eggs. I'm going to add the condensed milk. The condensed milk is going to give it such an amazing flavor to this cornbread. Of course, I'm not using cornmeal. I am using corn kettles. Look at this. Yellow corn kettles. I am sure that once you make this amazing cornbread Mexican style, you are going to continue enjoying this amazing cornbread made at home from scratch. We are going to blend it completely. Look at this. You decide the texture. If you want it chunky or if you want it nice and blended, you decide. But of course, once this is done, I am ready to sift my all-purpose flour. Remember, all the ingredients are going to be in the description box so that you could enjoy this amazing cornbread made at home from scratch. If I could make it, you can make it, and you could enjoy it with your beautiful family. Look at this. I'm adding the pinch of salt, the baking powder, and now I'm just gonna whisk it really good. And now I am ready to pour in the liquid ingredients, the wet ingredients. I'm gonna add them in here. I'm gonna add half of the mixture. I'm gonna mix it really well, incorporate everything really good into the all-purpose flour. Once you see it nice and incorporated, now you're ready to add the rest of the ingredient. Of course, don't forget to add your Mexican vanilla extract. That's gonna give it such an amazing flavor. And be generous, okay? I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of the Mexican vanilla extract. I'm gonna mix it really good. I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. And I want to show you the texture, how this looks. It's nice and runny, but yet it's nice and thick. Look at this. It only takes 30 minutes to bake, and they come out golden brown. Delicious. Of course, you need to use your non-stick baking cream, and this recipe you already have it on my channel. It's a very easy recipe. You could put it in the refrigerator and it will last for months. And making individual breads.
because once you start eating it, you don't want to share with nobody this amazing cornbread. So that's why I'm making individuals. Of course, you could make one and just enjoy it. But here at home, I wanna share individual containers and breads for every single person here at home. Look at this. Now I'm ready to fill them, not all the way up. I'm leaving a little space so that when they start fluffing up, this bread is going to be nice and fluffy, nice and moist. The texture, the taste of the corn, just amazing. I love sharing with you my delicious recipes from scratch so that you could make them at home and you could enjoy them with your beautiful family. Once this is done, let me show you. Now my oven is already nice and hot, 350 Fahrenheit. It's going to go in the oven only for 30 minutes. Remember, every oven is different. It could take a couple minutes earlier, a couple minutes more. But look at this. They're nice and fluffy and they come out really easy with this amazing non-stick baking cream. They're nice and golden brown from the bottom. And look at this. Look how delicious, moist, spongy, fluffy this is. My mouth is watering. I can't wait to enjoy it. You could add just a little bit of butter. You decide. It's still nice and warm. Like I say, I can't wait to enjoy it. But look how easy it is to get it out of the mold using the non-stick baking cream that I have shared with you. I can't wait for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this delicious and amazing cornbread made of corn kettles. I am sure you are going to love it. It's really fluffy, moist, and the flavor of the corn just amazing. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Of course, I am enjoying it with coconut atole that you already have on my channel. This is what I really love, showing you how to bake at home. Making this amazing cornbread at home with your beautiful family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.